Dear students, your NEET 2026 exam applications are open. Visit neet.nta.nic.in. You will have the home page. Bottom of the home page, you have the registration for your NEET UG 2026 exam. Select that and go for new registration. It's a 12-stage process. First stage is you have to register your contact details. Second stage, your personal details. Third stage, your disability details. Fourth stage, you have to register your identity detail. Then you have to register your Aadhaar ID if you have. Then register your exam and center details. You again have 3 options there. You can select the nearest centers for you, and you have to register your qualification details, your class 10th and 12th marks. Then you have to register any other additional details. You have to register emergency contact detail. You have to then go for a live photograph. This is a new stage here. We haven't done it earlier for NEET applications, so nothing to worry about it. You have to switch on your webcam if you are doing it from the desktop, or you have to take your live photograph in a mobile or in a laptop. Okay, then you have to upload the documents and go for payment of the fees and finally submit. What is the application fee is? It varies according to the category. If you are of general category, it is 1,700 rupees. If you belong to EWS category in general, or if you are OBC NCL, it is 1,600. If you belong to SC, ST or physically challenged category, then your application fee is 1,000 rupees. And there are documents that you have to keep it ready. The soft copy of the original document should be kept ready. And what are the documents that is required is, we can start with the photograph. You need a passport size photograph. In that, 80% of the photo you should have face in the white background with ears seen. It should be in JPG format, and you need left and right all fingers impression. This is also in JPG format. You need your signature, sign it and scan it in JPG format. You need your category certificate. For SC, ST, OBC, NCL, category certificate should be uploaded. In case you belong to OBC, NCL, you still don't have OBC, NCL certificate, you can apply it, and you have to give in the application number and date of application. And you have to submit your class 10th mark sheet, and you have to submit your 10th pass certificate. If you are from Tamil Nadu State Board, you may not have 2 documents for this, so both can be the same document. And in case you have completed class 12th, you have to upload your class 12th mark sheets also, and you should give a proof of present and permanent address. That is your Aadhaar card you can use for that. You have to scan, if the addresses are different, you have to scan it as a one single document, as a PDF document, and upload it. Before starting the submission of the NEET application, keep your credit card or debit card or your UPI card ready for fee payment, and then have your NEET document soft copy ready, and also have 2 mobile phones ready to submit the application. You will have OTP at 2 stages. First OTP will be sent to your mobile phone. So at the first stage, you will feed 2 mobile numbers and 1 mail ID. And last before stage, you need 1 mobile number, one mail ID. The second stage, when we are feeding in the mobile number and mail ID, this cannot be the same. So you need 3 mobile numbers which is active and 2 mail IDs which is active. So have all these things before submission of the NEET 2026 application.